everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Winnie. Welcome to yet another amazing video. This is a YouTube channel where we share amazing tips on cooking, homemaking, and lifestyle in general. And today I'm showing you how to make jik and soapless detergent at home. One of the reasons why I make jik and soapless detergent at home is to save money. Yes, just save money because using Omo to clean the house, using the other jik to clean the house, and to wipe surfaces, it's expensive. So I make jik for wiping surfaces and cleaning the house at home. As you can see, let me show you. These are my chemicals. These chemicals, I bought them at OTC. This is where I buy the chemical. Then I'll show you how to mix them. Actually, this is the door of my bedroom, and we are going to mix it in the bedroom because you have to be careful with chemicals, so I cannot do this in the kitchen. So let's go. And those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. As you can see, I've just come out from work, so I've not even changed. I want to do this very fast so that I can go and freshen up. So hello, I'm hoping you can see what I'm doing, or you can see me. Now let me first show you the ingredients that we have here. These are the chemical. This is the jik, the chemical for the jik, and then the rest. This one is also jik. These are 2 liters of jik, and then this one. Let me organize them here. Let me put them there so that not to touch water. You can see this one. This is a color. I chose color green, and then this is the perfume. I chose lavender. So, and then all the other are chemicals. To be honest, don't ask me the name of the chemicals because I also don't know. So, for the jik, what you do, it's very simple. There is 2 types of jik. The one that you mix, and it stays for 3 days, and then you sieve. But for me, I usually choose the one that is concentrated, and then you just add water. So these are 2 liters of jik, so I will add 8 liters of water to make it 10 liters. So it's just very simple. So this is and it is spoiled. This is a 10-liter container. So I will just add my jik, the concentrated jik, the 2 liters. You have to throw away this container far away so that the kids cannot use them to play. So I'm going to add the other jik. So, and then after that, you just add the 8 liters of water. So I'm just adding 8 liters of water, and just like that, I have 10 liters jik. This will take us for the next 4 months because I have the normal jik for washing clothes. But you can still use this one to wash clothes. It doesn't have any problems. Just that I had already bought the other one because I didn't have time to go and buy the ingredients. So I bought that one as a standby. So let's make our jik. And just like that, I've made 10 liters of jik, just mixing the extremely concentrated jik, 2 liters of jik with 8 liters of water, and I've managed to make a jik. Now let's go to the soapless detergent. So On the soapless detergent, it's also very simple. For this, when you are going to buy the soapless detergent, you tell them how many liters you want to make. So for me, I told them I want to make 20 liters. But to be honest, the soapless detergent usually is so concentrated that I usually make more than 20. I usually actually make 30 to 40 liters. So it's extremely very simple. It's very simple. What you do, you mix all the other ingredients apart from perfume and the color. And you have a mwiko to do this work, and this mwiko should not do any other thing. So let's mix all the other ingredients. So I don't know the name of these ingredients, so don't ask me. Hi Papa.
And what's that?
I'm making soap.
But I'm not our kind of soap like that.
No, you will see. Wait. You want to watch and see?
Mm.
Okay, stand there and see. So you see, I've managed to squeeze the first chemical out. You have to ensure that it's too much that is remaining. So that one we are done. And then this one, and I don't have scissors, so I will just...
Oh my God, that is.
There are people who say you mix one at a time, but I usually don't see the difference. So, and then this one, you also mix it. You can see why I'm doing it in my bedroom, so that it will be easier to wash even my hands. Then you put the last chemical. Now that I've put all the chemicals, let me first wash my hands. So we start mixing the chemicals first. So you can see I've mixed everything very well. I mixed everything very well. Now what you do, this is like a 20 liters bowl. So you put like 5 liters of water first. So we put water like 5 liters first. You see, that water is enough. So now you mix everything to ensure that it dissolves in that water. It is just purely simple like that. So let me dissolve all these chemicals in this water. It has like dissolved, you add more water. Now I'm adding 20 liters of water as I continue dissolving. So this basin is around 20 to 25 liters. Just like that, when you are stirring, you have to ensure that you don't feel particles from down there. And I can feel mine, it's okay. Now at this juncture, I'm going to add the color and the perfume. So this is the color. I chose color green. I love color green, so I will add the color. The color green, and then I'm also going to add the perfume, at least to give it some nice smell. So that is lavender perfume. And then after that, I'm going to now mix very well. Mix it very well to ensure that everything is has mixed very well. Yeah, you can see. I'm going to bring the camera closer for you to see. It's smelling nice. It's smelling nice. Oh, nice. It's smelling like flowers. Oh, good. Unaona? Unaona venye inakaa poa? So kuna sabuni ya kuosha, nani akichafua? Nani akichafua tuko na sabuni ya kuosha? Nani akichafua? Kwa nini mnanifanyia hivi? Eh? And just like that, we are done. I'm going to wait for it to settle down so that this foam can reduce, and then we are going to package this for use. And just like that, I've saved a lot of money. This soap is going to take us for the next 4 months. So we actually in November, December, January, February. So I'll be thinking of doing this again next year, March. And to be honest, I'm also going to give away. So it's not that if I don't give away, we can actually use it till April. So because you just use a little, this one is so concentrated. Because you know this one is not for selling, it's for using at home. Let me wait for it to settle, and then we are going to come and pack it. In the meantime, let me throw away all these bottles. And now let me package the soap. I usually use this cooking oil, the container. You see the way I've removed all the foam. So let me package. You can see I've like made almost let's say 20, this 10, 10, 10. That is 30, 35 liters of 35 liters of soapless detergent. So I need to clean them up so that we can take them where we store them. So I need to clean them from the outside. Guys, I hope you can see me. Let me hope you have learned something for me for the next like four months. I'll save a lot of money by just ensuring that we use this soap to clean the floor of the house, the bedroom, the floor of the bedroom, the floor of the toilet. So let me clean up here and call it a day. So let me clean up here. So bye. See you next time. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and tell me what you'd like me to show you what to make next. Bye.